check out my peppers. It is November 1st and I am in zone 8B. Yes, 2025. And look at this. Jalapeños. And this is chili peppers. Still going. See the blossom? Isn't that nice? And over here, habanero. Beautiful. My goodness. And I still have a lot of peppers coming out on the top. Bloom, blossoms. Same thing here. I'm not quite sure if this is my chocolate pepper, but it's the first time it's given me peppers, so I am blessed. I am thankful. And here are the red peppers. They're currently green, but they're doing great. I am so happy. I keep them in a pot because peppers, hot peppers, have a 2-year cycle. And whenever the temperature get really low, I have my little barriers here that I put the cloth over to preserve them. You know, this is a blessing. It's always a blessing to come out here and pick whatever pepper I want. And on top of that, I have a lot of scallions here. Can't complain. You know, my beets are still going. Beautiful. And a few callaloo. But I'm telling you, this is awesome. This is carrot. I just stick carrots in there now and then. But yeah, can't complain. Beautiful, isn't it? How is your garden going?